Something in your eyes, tell me who I am.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Yes, your voice is heard.
That the meeting will be start is 5 minutes. Meeting participants are requested to make sure microphone and video are working properly before the meeting start. I think we'll begin now. First, I like to welcome you all and thank everyone for coming, especially at such short notice. I know you are all very busy and it's difficult to take time away from your daily tasks for meeting. I really appreciate you all for attending. It is a pleasure to meet you today. If we are all here, let's get started. First of all, I'd like you to please join me in welcoming Ahmad Rizky as Director of Sales.
Thank you for having me. I'm looking forward to today's meeting.
I'd also like to introduce Arina, who recently joined our team.
Morning, I am Arina as Finance Director and also introduce my assistant selling.
Welcome Arina. I'm Alfred, our National Assistant. Arina can be with us today. She is in London at the moment. There is another project. Let's start the meeting this morning to discuss two strategies to increase the company turnover and income in the midst of a pandemic. First, we will discuss the evaluation and analytics of the decline in turnover in sales during the pandemic, which will be explained by Ahmad Rizky, a sales manager.
Good morning, my name is Rizky. I'm the Director of Sales. Next, allow me to present about the company sales during the cultural pandemic. Sales during the cultural pandemic. What should we do when sales to turnover drops during the pandemic? We have to do that is by looking at the cultural economy situation of company which is less stable to maintain the security of sales turnover so that they remain stable. We give discount of sales to record people what want to buy product at price that do not burden people to buy our products. Okay, thank you for always me to explain the material of today meeting. The discussion I will explain in relate to the direction in sales turnover during the pandemic. That's all we done. We sales turnover drop during the pandemic. Now, as for the strategy that we have to do, that is by looking at the current economy student of community which is less stable to maintain the security of sales turnover so that is remain stable. Namely, we give discount our sale to reason people we would to buy product at price that not burden people to buy a product. That we can also broaden among company. The point is to inform the public that will product at affordable price for the company financial economy during pandemic. I will explanation for me. I return to that comment of the meeting.
Thanks to Rizky as the production manager who has explained the material. Okay, then we will discuss the production of product which will explained by Bella Menesia as the production manager.
Good morning, everyone. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Bella Menesia. I am the manager production. Production manager, planning and managing the production schedule is useful for marketing the products we will sell. For example, we arrange a schedule to hold discount on weekends with attractive discount or to attract people this year to buy products, namely hand sanitizer. To preface the course of production, namely activities to prevent accidents during production and to maintain product quality so that the company does not suffer big losses. Planning and managing the production schedule is useful for marketing the product we will sell. For example, we arrange schedule to hold discount on weekends with attractive discount or to attract people this year to buy products. Namely in sanitizer, where the product must be used anywhere to maintain the sterility of our bodies. Next, we will produce ginger lemon drink. The point is to maintain our body's immunity during the pandemic. Consume it well to prevent from the COVID-19 virus. For those who are exposed to the benefit it can help profit calm you for the body. The composition is also made of natural herbs, so it is safe for consumption for the body. Supervise the course of production, namely activities to prevent accidents during production and to maintain product quality so that the company does not suffer big losses. In the production supervision, all activities are monitored as well as possible, starting from incoming raw materials, selection of raw materials, layered raw materials, to create effective supervision, the foundation that the company must carry out include the route that starts with the selection of quality materials, starting with choosing betel leaf, then mixing it with aloe vera, then mixing it with alcohol and trelucent and antibacterial, and finally adding essential oil to add to fragrant aroma from the hand sanitizer. And the last is finishing and packing, then managing the workload and coordinating the times of production activities to employees. The company directly orders the production department to produce this product. In the order includes the number of products that must be produced, the amount of raw materials needed, and auxiliary materials. Others, the last one is checking activities related to production, such as raw materials workmanship process. Production machine is carried out by the company so that they can run smoothly. Is there anything you want to ask about the material that I have covered? Thank you, Arina, for the orders. Is there any response for this meeting?
No, I agree to the input.
Thanks to Pilamesha, the manager product who has explained the material. Okay, then we will discuss production of product which will be explained by Avintania as the finance manager.
Good morning, everyone. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Avintania. I'm the finance manager. Highlight and consolidated financial result. Number 1, 102,4%. Sales increased. Number 2, 39,3%. Net sales this year. Total sales for Citra Maju increased 13,1% to 5,823, and the average monthly sales increased 21,9% to approach 156 In addition, the total number of employees in the Advanced IMEX business is 309, upgrade 65 thus are the result for FinSal 2021. I'd like to present to you today is the result for fiscal 2021. To start with, I will explain about highlight and consolidated financial result. To start with, I will explain about financial highlight and consolidation result. I will provide consolidated operating profit and cash flow from operation activity. After that, I will explain about business performance result by segment Citra Maju business and result by segment K in indicator for Citra Maju business. I will be happy answer all your questions after my presentation. Let's start with highlight and consolidated financial result. First, three main highlight. One importantly, our strong and consistent net sales growth continues because overall net sales grew 39,3% compared to last year. Operating losses reduced significantly thanks to factor growth of the chocolate business, personal recruitment, focusing on the sales department of Citra Maju business is growing with a total of 147 to 549 employees. Here is an F5 or consolidated figure. H1 exceeds one full year progress now on 17 Juni 2020, net sales increased 39,3% compared to last year to 5 million, and operating loss has been significantly reduced. That's all I have to say about consolidated financial highlight and result. Let me turn now to consolidated operating profit and cash flow of operational activity. This is the breakdown between net sales and operational profit. Operating losses decreased substantially, mainly due to a combination of low advertising, strong net sales growth. With respect to advertising costs, Citra Maju business continues to invest efficiency. In addition, cash flow from operational activity will be positive in the 2021 financial year. We have seen the consolidated operating profit and cash flow of operational activity switch to business performance. Result by segment Advanced IMEX business and result by segment the main indicator of Maju Citra business. First, business performance. Here you can see business performance over the last few years. That bar cut on the left show net sales over the past few years. We have consistently seen over 50% CAGR as we see in the presentation, but profit in margin are growing and the high rate that net sales due to cost reduction, especially the shrinking to cost of goods sold, and result by segment Citra Maju business. Below are a detailed result by segment. First of all, a Citra Maju hand sanitizer net sales increased by 36,8%, completed under some period last year up to $999 million. Operating profit increased 102,4% to $2,909 million. As profit margin increased significantly. And finally, result by segment, key indicator of Citra Maju business. Total sales for Citra Maju increased 13,1% to 5,823 and the average monthly sales increased 21,9% to around $156,000. In addition, the total number of employees in Advancy Image Business is 309, upgrade 65, that are the result for fiscal 2021. You for buying sex and addition audience.
Thanks to Avintania, the finance manager was expanding material. Okay, then we will discuss the production of project will be explained by Arina Sylvia, the manager marketing.
Morning everyone. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Arina Sylvia. I am the manager marketing. I will talk about interesting the sales of our product in the new market area. For our market target, we will expand our market with export product into some countries in Europe and Asia. We can promote our product by social media account. Merits give a sample product to people who buy our product and give a 40% of discount to people who buy more than 300,000. We have Avinta as candidate to be next our brand ambassador. Today I will talk about interesting the sales of our product in the new market area. To start with, I will explain about the target market. Then I will explain where are potential candidates to become our product brand ambassador. Let's begin by our new market plan. As we know that our sales keep interesting every day for May to December 2021. So I think it will be better if we can expect our market to onboard so that we can keep more consumer and can market a lot of money. We may export our product to some countries in Europe, such as UK, Italy, or German, or that area like Australia or New Zealand. Besides, it will get in. We can also export our product to some Asia countries like China, Korea, or Japan, and Indonesia. Our market only focus on Europe residents and Asia. So we have to find a new target market that is more focused. That's all I have to say about our new product market plan. Now it's my turn who should be the brand ambassador because our market will expand to international. So I think it's important to know who should be our next brand ambassador. I think Avinta is a potential candidate because he has forget language skill and he is very famous and has my famous. So I think this in the best PR technique to market our product famous. In you all have other suggestions about candidates, we can discuss then after this presentation is over. We have see who will be our next ambassador. Let's move on to how to get the customer attention. As you know, we will introduce our product to we market, so we have to promote to get customer attention. We can promote our product by social media, Americs like Shopee, Lazada, GADAD. Moreover, we can give a sample product to people who buy our product or give 40% of discount to people who buy more than 300,000. Solution. One, for a new market target, we will expand our market with export product into some countries in Europe and Asia. Two, we have Avinta as candidates to be next our brand ambassador. Three, we can promote our product by social media, e-commerce, give a sample product to people who buy on product and give a 40% of discount to people who buy more than 300,000. You for paying such an active audience. Are there any question?
Thank you, Miss Arina. It's good idea to export our product to US or cultivate like Agran because as we know that foreigners are in need of lemon hanger production. If we export or expect market there, we will not get much profit. In addition, they attach a great importance to health. I will bring you good luck.
I agree with Mr. Rizky.
I think we should put our product in the mass market in which we can set a pitch in different leaf, home made and hack price. Moreover, to teach a new year customer, we also should set a pitch to become for those who are students and those who are merchants that reap and wage income our lover. And to do so, I think we would gain more profit and a grip of our company.
Excuse me, I did catch that. Could you repeat that, please?
Sure, I just said that we should set pitch at different levels such as low, medium, and high price. Low and medium pitch for customers who are still in student, so that our product can be bought by our rectors.
Yes, I agree with you, but I think that we should create a small size because some people might want to try before buy big one. They don't want to waste a lot of money.
Okay, we will talk about this the next meeting. We come to the last part. As you know, we will introduce our product, the new market, which promotion that we can grab our customer attention.
I agree with Ms. Arina that we should promote our products by social media, such as Instagram, Facebook, website, and Twitter. We can maximize promotion on our social media accounts to increase sales of our products. We can also sell our products by commerce such as Shopee, Lazada, but I don't agree with 40% discount because it will cost a lot to our company.
Right. Anyone like to add anything?
Well, I think that a new promotion, buy one get one for years and sale, is interesting. It is to incentivize and profit for the company. Also, some of the profit will be returned to customer. That sounds great. Offering buy one get one to customer is a great way to get buyer to buy a production. Whenever we tell customer that they can save that money, our production are more likely to get their attention. They also help our company to increase sales and increase recognition of our company. This of might be one of the way that can bring our company profit success.
In my opinion, it will be more interesting if we give this customer status by to get a 10% discount.
Well, it's correct that the special promotion of product is giving discount and interesting offers that can get intention customer and convince that them that they can save more money even if it has an effect on our company.
Yes, boss.
It looks a top. We have discount the main item. Would you like to add anything?
No.
Alright, I now for the meeting before we close. Let me just summarize the main point of the meeting. 1. Our product will be respond to us our European countries such as Italy, Germany, Australia, and New Zealand. 2. Target market. 3. We will set the price of our product at different level, low, medium, and high price. 4. We have one person to be our brand ambassador of Intania. 5. We promote our product on social media like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. 6. There are discount and special offer in our promo. 7. Meeting result will be sent via email. Look like we converted the main item. Is there any other business or anyone have an idea?
Can we fix the next meeting?
Good idea, Arina. How will Monday sound in 2 weeks' time? As person, let's meet at the same time, 9 o'clock. If that's good for everyone, according to me, we can close the meeting now. Before we close, I want to thank everyone to participate in our meeting today. The meeting will close. Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah.
Thank you,
Alhamdulillah,
everyone. Have
Rabbil
a
Alamin.
nice day. Thank you, everyone. Have a nice day.